Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 55 Ford, highly customized. It's got a Cobra motor and supercharged under the hood. It's louvered, it's beautiful. You are gonna love checking it out, and I'm gonna love showing it to you. Look at this beautiful chrome up front. Customized headlights, man, she is sweet. All the fit and finish on the car is beautiful. She is one gorgeous ride. Check out the wheels on this baby. She's got Wilwood brakes, disc up front. Gorgeous. We got door popper right here under the front fender where that label actually comes off. You can see this custom interior. Get in here and check this out. Look at those seats. Man, the interior man had a blast doing this. She is beautiful. Back seat matches the front. Absolutely gorgeous. Check out the carpeting. Fit and finish on everything is gorgeous. We've got a low car shifter in there. Beautiful. Great looking steering wheel. Absolutely beautiful. Slick paint job. Got Mercury taillights in here. Great looking chrome on the back. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Ford. So you can bet we spent the time to check her out before we bought it. Then when they get here to the showroom, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and Tom can answer any question you have about the car. Now we're bringing in anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month, so we've always got new inventory coming in. So watch us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Call Tom anytime. If you want a close-up picture of a car, you want an additional description of the car, no problem whatsoever. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, and I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. Let's go for a ride in this 55 Ford with the Cobra motor. Supercharged. This has got to be one of a kind, guys. You want to talk about hot rod? We got a hot rod right here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about it. Now, if you need help with financing, no problem whatsoever. We got a whole team of bankers. We'll help you out. Takes about 15 minutes. Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. All you need to do is make that phone call. Obviously, that truck driver likes him some 55 Ford, and he didn't even know what's under the hood making the power in this baby. You're gonna surprise a lot of people with this beauty. Nobody Restomods these babies. Now look down here on the dash. want to talk about cool? Check this dash out. She is gorgeous. Now we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, but we do invite you to come visit us. As a matter of fact, we love it when our customers come visit us. So please come on out. We're near Detroit. We're close to the airport if you need to fly. As a matter of fact, we'll come to the airport and pick you up if you need a ride. Just call Tom, let him know. If you want to drive out on a Saturday, we're here on Saturdays. We're here till 3 o'clock on Saturdays. Just make sure you give us a call, let us know you're coming. We do have over 200 cars in stock and 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So we do have to move cars around every now and then to get your favorite one out. So just give him a call, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite one out front. And now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside, and you can bet we're gonna pop the hood and check out that Cobra motor making the power. So stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this old Ford now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see its body color on the bottom side. Looks like the gas tank's been restored. The tailpipes here have got some stainless extensions on them. Drop downs look good. It's got disc brakes on the back. Ford rear end, right around the 350 gear, and it is an open rear end. QA1 shocks, airbags holding it up. It does have the controllers to level itself up. It's got a triangulated 4-link system on it here. Of course, boxed frame. Looks like it's all been smoothed down. It's got braces going in every different direction here. All the body mounts look like they're new. All the lines going front to back look like they're new. Brake line, fuel lines. Looks like trans cooler here. Back sides of the rockers are nice and clean. You can see the floorboards are all jet coated. Not jet coated, but they're all body collar here. We've got the 4-speed automatic trans here. We've got some heat wrap here on the exhaust to keep the heat off the transmission. We've got airbags on the front suspension here. This is all tubular up here also, and we also have the controllers on the front suspension here too for the ride level. Everything under here is super clean, looking sweet. We got coolers up front here also. Got great looking chrome on the front bumper here. The wheel houses are all nice and clean. Got great looking wheels here. Those are Wilwood brakes up front there. We got 245, 45, 19s up front. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge here is looking good. The pinch weld on the rocker is also looking good. I see new bushings here for the body mounts also. Everything's looking sweet. You can see that frame's all smoothed down, looking sweet and clean. You can see all new bushings on the frame mounts. Looks like Magnaflow mufflers there. Out back here, we got two 45, 45, 20s out back. Oh, and we've got a manual trunk release right here. There's a lever right here to release the trunk. I've already popped it, so you can't hear it pop. Let's get under the hood and see what's making the power. That's a big surprise. All right, under the hood here, we got a 4-valve, 2003, all aluminum, 4.6 with an SVT blower sitting on top. You don't see this very often, guys. An old Ford with this kind of power under the hood. She's got power brakes, power steering. We do have all the creature features of home underneath here, man. This is Mustang power under here, guys. Cobra power. This thing is sweet, man. She is amazing. Nobody does this. You're gonna surprise everybody at the car show when you pop the hood of this baby. They've even chromed up the core support here, man. It is sweet, guys. They did a beautiful job putting this car together. call us 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.